Hi students, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of learning educational channel in YouTube channels, that is Be Inspired. Why I'm saying this? Because I'm creating so many educational videos based on the subject maths, and everyone will feel that maths is going to be a little bit difficult, but it is not going to be difficult because we have Vedic maths with us. By using this, if you want to become the topper of your class, just follow Vedic maths, which is going to be taught in Be Inspired. See, remember one thing, these are the math tricks which you are not going to be taught even in your school. So these are the tricks which will help us to calculate fast and to make our sharp brains. So please share, like, comment my channel. So today we are going to see what is the fast way of calculation, and what we are learning today, math division tricks. So we all know that to do division, it is going to take up bar division. It is very big process. So we are thinking like that. So now what I am showing you is easily you should divide any number if the divisor is in between 100 to 200, not only 200, more than 200 and thousands also. I'll show you. First we will see the divisor, a 3-digit divisor. You are seeing a 3-digit divisor. I'll just take an example of this question. $67,362 divided by 103. Can you do this within 5 seconds? Yes, my question is correct, and you listen correctly only. You have to say this answer in 5 seconds. I'm counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your time is up. Actually, this much time you need to take even calculator, right? But you can do this without doing division. This is the answer. So how I done within 5 seconds? You may think that okay, you just written a question, because of that reason you are saying answer this much fastly by using your calculator and all. See, I will show you the trick, and you also can do it very fastly how I am showing the answers. Just follow this very easily. So what I have to do is, I have to consider this one as, I'll write here, I am dividing this one into 2 parts, and the first 2 things I am going to divide with this first 2 digits. So here I am writing quotient. 10 5s are 50. So simple, 67 minus 50, 7 and 1, and this is your remainder. Now you multiply this number with this quotient. 3 5s are 15, and whatever the answer you are getting here, 1 second, actually 10 6 are 60 we can take. I'm sorry, 10 6 are 60, and the answer will be 7. So you'll get remainder 7, 73. So after multiplying 3 6 are, you'll get 18. So 73 minus 18, 13 minus 8 5, 6 minus 1 5. So for this 55 you have to do division with 10. So 10 5s are 50, you'll get remainder 5, and this is 56. So multiply 3 5s are 15, and 56 minus 15, 41. Now with 10 table you divide with 41, so 10 4s are 40. 1 is going to become the remainder. 3 table, 3 4s are 12. So I already got this. 12 minus 12 is 0. Means that 0 is nothing but remainder is 0. In this way we will get the quotient like this. I'll just explain you with one more example. One more 3-digit divisor I'm selecting. 64,288 divided by 112. So simple logic. Here I am writing quotient, here I'll write remainder, and this is the place I'll use the rough word. So we all know that we will divide with this 11 table and 64. 11 5s are 55. So 64 minus 55, 14 minus 5, 9, and the remainder is 9. So now you should multiply 2 with 5. 2 5s are 10, and what is the number you got? 92 minus 10, you'll get 82. So now this 82 you are going to do divide with 11. 11 sevens are 77. So 82 minus 77. You got remainder 5. Now you multiply this 2 with 7. 2 sevens are 14. And if you join the remainder and the number, next number, you'll get 58 minus 14. That is 44. So for this 44, you are going to do divide with 11 table. 11 fours are 44. Okay. You'll get remainder 0. So 2 table with 4, you are also getting remainder as 8. And the number is 8 minus 8 is 0. So the remainder is 0. The quotient is 574. So you want to check whether whatever I done is right or wrong. Just simple verification procedure we can go, or we can go for the casual division method. 64,288. So 3 digits. 112 ones are 112. 112 twos are 2, 2, 4. 112 threes are 3, 3, 6. 112 fours are 4, 4, 8. 112 fives are 5 twos are 10, 6, 5, 60. 112 six are 6 twos are 12, 7, 6. So that is the reason 5 times will come. 5, 6, 0, 2, and it is not possible. 14, 5, 8, 0, and this 8 will come. 112 sevens are 112 eights are. So it is smaller than that, so that is the reason 7 times. 784, 784, and 0, 4, and the last digit will come. 112 fours are 448. You'll get remainder 0 and quotient 574. So what are the quotient we got here? The same thing, right? So we'll just solve with one more example. This is more than 200, that is 87,318 divided by 206. So here we are going to write the quotient and remainder, and here I'll write rough column. So first thing, you'll divide 20 and 87. 24s are 80. You'll get 7 remainder. So 6 table you'll multiply the quotient. 6 4s are 24. 24, and I'll get 73 minus 24. 13 minus 4, 9. 6 minus 2, 4. So with the 20 table you should divide 49. 22s are 40 and 9 is going to become your remainder. Now with 6 table you multiply the quotient. 6 2s are 12. 91 minus 12. 11 minus 2 is 9. 8 minus 1 is 7. So with 79, 20 table, 23s are 60. 19 is going to become your remainder. Because 24s are 80, it is very less, so that is the reason we got very big remainder now. Now 6 3s are 18. 198 minus 18. This time we are getting a very big number over here. 8 minus 8, 0. 9 minus 1, 8. And 1 will come as it is. So 180. 20 table you will get 26 are 180. And the remainder is 0. So in this way you can solve your questions very easily. This is the division trick you can apply to your divisions, and you can solve it as early as possible, as fast as possible. See here, this is only one small change here I am just explaining to you, because here we got the remainder is a very big number. The remainder is a very big number, so that is the reason it is not going to get, the remainder is not going to get 0. So here after this the points will come like this. So that is the reason I'm just taking quotient as 423 and you can go for remainder as 6. I hope you all understand my class. Wash your hands thoroughly while going outside. Wear the mask. Clean properly. Don't touch your eyes, mouth and nose. Cook thoroughly. Avoid longer crowded places. Thank you for watching.